like my coffee. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something that's new for me, but everyone else on the internet has already done. Basically, the other day I was in Walmart, you know, just perusing the makeup aisle, and I saw the Kiss Brow Stamp. And I know a bunch of people talked about this like a year, 2 years ago, but I'd never seen it actually in person. So I picked it up and I was like, why don't we try this? Because I struggle with my brows quite a lot. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment, all that fun stuff. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is the dark brown brow stamp. Apparently there's more than one shape for this, which like I didn't know. This was the last one, so it was like destiny. Okay, so you just make sure your skin is moisturized with primer or liquid foundation. Well, I put on moisturizer and makeup. Press brow stamp face down onto brow powder to add color to the stamp. Position the stamp at your brow bone to determine the placement, and then gently place the stamp against the skin and press. Touch up if needed. Okay, so we're gonna try this because my brow struggle is never ending. Like, can we talk about how much of a crackhead I look with like a full face and then no brows? Okay, let's open this. Patent pending, so that means something. Ooh, okay. So we've got a stamp. It should be a good shape, honestly. And then the other side, it's foam. I did not expect it to be so foamy. Made in Korea. Keep out of reach of children, okay? Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, wash immediately with lukewarm water. So you're telling me I'll go blind. And then it's just that. Okay, first I'm gonna like brush my brows up, and I just have this e.l.f. brow brush that I use for the spoolie when I put soap in my Okay, so let's try it. Which brow should we do first? I think I'm gonna do the right one first. Okay, press brow stamp face down into brow powder to add color to stamp. I don't know how much is needed. It says gently. I'm trying to get like an even. All right, let's do this. Okay, but wait. No, I think that worked pretty well. Oh. I'm like impressed. I mean, it's not perfect, but okay. Let me go in again. That's not awful. Like, it could have been worse. It does kind of like fuck up the tail. I think the hard part is when you're going in for like a second layer, getting it the same position as the first layer. But I mean, y'all see that? Let's try the other side. When I watched Tati's video about this, she said that the actual brow powder was pretty good, but when she did her video like 2 years ago, the brow powder was I Envy, not Kiss. So we'll see. Okay. I mean, that's not even. They're not even, which is like the main purpose of this. Let me try again. I mean, okay. That's not, like I said, it's not awful. And I struggle with my brows so much. Like, it's like a daily battle. They're not even, which is like my biggest issue with my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna go in with that Q-tip and clean it up. This side actually came out better on the tail part, Do people call it the tail? I feel like that's what it should be called. I mean, like, I'm not mad at it. I'm just gonna go in with this brow brush and just... I like my brows a bit wispier, which, like, I didn't expect to get with this, but maybe I can. Like, I think I might actually use this. I've only seen one other actual video on this because, like, I know did a video on this, but I don't watch him because Tati, Glam Life Guru, did a video on this years ago, and I'd looked for it since because, like, obviously my brows are an issue for me. And when I found this, I was like, actual recreation of how I was in the middle of Walmart. So, like, I don't hate this. I don't know if it comes with other colors. I would assume so. But it is kind of red toned, so I wouldn't give this like a dark brown name. It's like $9, which is not a lot for a brow product. I can't tell if I like it. I think I like it, but I'm not sure. I mean, this was definitely quicker than me like going in with my brow gel and like spending hours on that, but they're really uneven on the top and the front, and that's my biggest issue with my brows, is when they're uneven. Like, I look like I'm smirking with one eye and not with the other. Is that better? Okay, so that's my brows with this brow stamp, which, like, I think I like. It did take some time to fix it, but not as long as it normally takes me to do my brow. And I think it's definitely tricky trying to get the same spot every time you go in, because I know for me, just one stamp won't be enough. I'm sorry, I can't stop like looking at them. When I saw dark brown, I did not expect it to be this red toned. Like, it doesn't look that bad in person, but on camera I think it looks a little gingery. Overall, I'd say I'd probably use this product again, which, like, is that cheating if I use a brow stamp to do my makeup? Maybe on like just no makeup, quick days. I think my brows don't look awful. Like, I've done them much worse, and I like that it's the same shape. So I'd say if you saw this product at Walmart and you had like $9 to waste on a brow stamp, I'd get it. Like, I mean, obviously I got it. Oh, they clip together. Oh, I like that. Overall, it's not as bad as I expected it to be. The powder's not awful. It's very soft. ASMR. Okay, so overall, like, it's not an awful brow product. I've seen way gimmicky, like gimmicky things for more expensive. See, like, I can't decide if I like it. I'm gonna give it 3 out of 5 Ariels, because, like, I think it's useful. Like, if you struggle with your brows, it's definitely a useful product. I just don't know if it's the best it could do. I wonder if I try it with like my dip brow, how bad that would be. I'm definitely gonna do that later. I like that it wasn't $25. I wish there were more colors. I wish there were different shapes, although I did not expect this shape to work as well as it did for my eyebrows, but I don't have eyebrows, so. Alright guys, let me know if you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all that fun stuff. This is my posh British accent. How do my eyebrows look compared to the hot mess I've served you before? Let me know if you would buy this product, because I do think it's a little bit gimmicky, but not the worst I've seen. Let me know if you want me to do more videos of me trying random stuff I find at Walmart. This song is about sex.